Hey guys, what's up? It's Christine Seal, the HighLevel Queen, and I am so excited to tell you that HighLevel just dropped their Black Friday deals for 2023, and they are a doozy. So what I'm gonna do is explain these to you and break them down in a less confusing way, because these deals are really gonna help you save money, especially going into the new year. And if you need to spend a little bit extra money this year, this is going to be awesome for you too, because there's annual plans available. So I'm going to get right into it. All right. So first, I'm going to start with new users. Okay. Now you can grab this deal if you're a new user to HighLevel. Check the link below to get the special pricing. And you can also get it if you left and you're coming back. You can get this deal. All right. So basically, the skinny on this is you can get 50% off your first 3 months off of any of the plans, okay? That includes the starter plan, which is $97, unlimited plan, which is $297, and the pro plan, which is $497. But again, you get 50% off the first 3 months, which is a crazy, crazy deal. So again, check the link below for details and the discount code for that. And also, if you use my link, you'll get all my bonuses, which are crazy. Get to that in a minute. Now, if you're an existing user, it's a little bit different. There is another link below for existing users, but you're going to be able to also claim 50% off your first 3 months if you upgrade your account, okay? If you upgrade your account. Now, you can also get 25% off annual plans, which is a crazy deal. Crazy. 25% off annual plans. Okay. What? All right, cool. So if you're already on an annual plan, you're not going to be able to see this in your portal because you're going to auto renew at the annual plan. But if you click my link for existing user below, it's going to pull up this little thing. And just FYI, it's going to have you log into app.GoHighLevel.com instead of your white label link. So that's kind of confusing. Make sure you just go ahead and log into it. And it's going to bring up this cute little scratch ticket screen. I love this. I love how they're getting more creative with their marketing. So basically, you're just going to click and you can scratch this off, which is fun. Okay. So since I'm already on the annual plan, I can claim a 40% off 1 year annual add-on bundle, which is a really, really good deal. I can also get 50% off a monthly add-on bundle, okay? Now, the main things that I want you to take away from this are 50% off the first 3 months, okay? For new or existing users on an upgrade. For existing users, 25% off annual plans, okay? Again, grab the link below for these exclusive Black Friday deals, and they're going to end soon, so they're not going to be around forever. So if you're committed to HighLevel and you're planning on using it, and you want my amazing bonuses, then you're going to want to check this out. Now, I'm going to go through my bonuses so that you know what you get with me. First of all, I want to say thank you for considering me to be your official affiliate for HighLevel. I want to show you all the bonuses that you're going to get just for using my link to sign up or upgrade for HighLevel. So first, if you decide to go the Agency Pro route and you sign up for a paid account with Agency Pro, which is the $497 a month plan, you are going to get amazing bonuses, including access to Agency Automation Pro, which is my course where I teach you how to save thousands of hours a month on automating your client onboarding using HighLevel. It also includes an agency snapshot that I created after working with thousands of agencies, and the new workflow snapshot, as well as HighLevel Mastery 3.0. So this is going to teach you all the basics of HighLevel and even some advanced stuff. This course is really more advanced than HighLevel Mastery, but it's going to teach you all of the other things that you need to know. So I would definitely do that one first. You're also going to get access to the snapshot of your choice. I have different snapshots in different niches, but the one that is the hottest right now is my 100K coaching snapshot that I use to make 6 figures in HighLevel. You're also going to get a one-on-one call with me, and you're going to be able to ask me any questions that you have after you go through the courses, as well as access to my private community where you can come in and ask questions, or if you'd rather email my support setup, then you can email my support desk and ask them any questions that you want. So I hope this answers your question on the Agency Pro. Now, if you decide to sign up for the other two lower tier accounts, you're still going to get amazing bonuses. You're actually going to get, and on the Agency Pro, you're also going to get SaaS Like a Boss, which is going to teach you how to start your SaaS company, how to close deals, how to prospect, and it includes all the setup as well. Okay, now, if you sign up for the other two plans, you're still going to get amazing bonuses. You're going to get access to HighLevel Beginner, which is going to show you how to use HighLevel, and these are all the modules that you're going to get. It also has a snapshot and teaches you how to use workflows and snapshots and things like that, as well as an onboarding call with me to make sure that you're off on the right foot, and you still get access to my amazing Inner Circle community. So thank you again, and make sure you use my links so that you get all these bonuses and your free trial, or if you decide to go the paid route, make sure that you get the right link with that as well. I'll see you soon.